Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be hitting indoor cardio. Let's get our heart rates up, let's get sweaty. I've got 6 exercises picked out for us. We're going to be doing these circuit style, 30 seconds each exercise. We're going to be doing all 6, no breaks, and repeating that 3 times. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button before we get started. You're going to need the yoga mats, and let's get into it.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up. Get on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think it's easy? Yeah. Falling in love, well, maybe for you. I think it's crazy. Oh no, but I'll be damned if I'm not a fool. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up. Get on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone? I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no, you're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy.
Great job today, guys. Let's do a 3-minute cool down here together on the screen. Let's start off with some single leg stretches. I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer here. We're just gonna alternate our legs as we feel suitable.
It's getting late, but I'm only getting started, and now they're playing my.
Good. Ooh, cardio got me sweating inside.
You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted, but you could not be more wrong. I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your
Both legs out. Here we go.
stand. I'm not your baby, no, you're not gonna get what you came
If you
here.
can't touch your toes, go ahead and just grab your calves and kind of pulse yourself towards your feet. This helps if you're really tight in the hamstrings. If you're tight in the hamstrings, you're probably tight in the lower back. So just grab those calves or around your ankles if you're a little bit more flexible. If you can get your toes, get your toes. I like to shuffle my hips like this. You really feel it in the hamstring right there. That's good stuff. Let's bring it together for some butterflies.
I have your X-Men back on your line, but I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine, and I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance.
Stop those wings, baby. I like to push my legs down if it's possible, if it'll hurt too much. But make sure you keep your back nice and straight. So if you do push yourself down, you can also do this, like bring your legs a little bit forward and push like this. This opens up the abductors in the hips.
You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
All right, let's do a quick calf stretch. Coming into this plank, go ahead and just push your toe down on the mat and push in just like that. Pulsing, keeping that heel off the ground, but trying to reach the heel to the ground. We're almost done, guys. 25 seconds. Rotate that foot. Pulse there for a second. That's nice. Give me a little shake. Well done. Good job today. If you're not subscribed to the channel, don't forget, guys, click the subscribe button, smash that like button, let me know what you think of this workout down below. And if you haven't got your beginner body book, check that out. I'll leave a link on the description. I'll also leave the link here on the screen so you can check it out. Get your book, get your journal, support your girl, support the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.